What's up? What's up? Welcome to More AJ. I'm AJ Moore, and today I am doing an unboxing. Yeah, I received some things over the last maybe over the last week or so. So today I decided to open them and also share with you guys what I got. So I'm going to be sharing my package from Glam to Gloss Cosmetics. I have a package here from PrettyScientist.com, and I have a nice big box here from Bath and Body Works. I also have my smoothie of the day. Today I'm drinking bananas, strawberries, spinach, parsley, and cilantro with coconut water. Okay, before we get into these packages, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for being here. If you're not new to my channel, you know I always appreciate you coming back. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to press that red subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a More AJ upload. Now let's get to this. So Pretty Scientist is my daughter's new company, my youngest daughter's new company. Yay! She's very popular on YouTube. Her name is Easy Breezy. She also has a company called GalaxyGirlHair.com. So make sure you guys check that out. I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm excited because I know what this is. This right here, I just ran out of it. She gave me a sample bottle before she launched the company, and I just literally ran out of it today. This is a liquid African black soap, and trust me when I tell you, it smells so good. I love this stuff. So this came right on time. This is her marketing pieces. So in her marketing pieces, this is it. Pretty Scientist, that's my baby. She has a brochure in here. It says Pretty Scientist Essentials, do it with intent. Okay. And she has a little card here. So she has intention oils, hair growth oils, lock products, liquid black soap, intention candles, sage and Palo Santo, skincare, and cosmetics. Okay. I didn't even know she had all that. But yes, definitely check out PrettyScientist.com. And now, oh, she packages so well. Okay. I ordered, let's see. So again, we have the brochure. And this is so cute. Oh, that is so pretty. This little stamp right here, it says Pretty Scientist. Adorable. Oh, yes. Look how pretty this is. So I got sage sticks, and what is this? Oh, this is the Mega Growth Hair Serum. I guess I'm gonna start using it. Okay, I got 2 of them. Okay, and look how she has the dried flowers inside there. That is so pretty. And then I got some, oh, look at this. This is intention oil. So what you do with it, smells good. So what you do with it is that you give it intention, basically. And you say, you know, this is my intention oil. I'm gonna use it today. And today I am claiming peace, balance, and grounding, okay? And then you smell it, you can smell it throughout the day to remind you of what your intention is for that day. So that's how intention oils work. I love the smell. It smells like cookies. It smells really good. And then I have my sage These are so pretty. I've actually never seen sage come in the different colors like that, and I believe these are the colors, the chakra colors. You can keep that negative energy over there, okay? Because we don't want none of that here, all right? So, thank you, pretty scientists. I love my items. Now, the next thing I received in the mail is a package from Glam to Gloss Cosmetics. I wanted to try, I purchased from them before, and let me tell you, I love their products. I am not a makeup person, as some of you might already know or can tell. I don't use a lot of makeup, but I do like lipstick. And you know, I've been teased, you know, in the past by my daughters about me, you know, sticking to the same colors and not being versatile. So I'm trying to step outside the box, you know, and do some different things. And so Glam to Gloss Cosmetics has some really nice lip colors. And matte lipstick is my preference. I love mattes. And she has some matte lip gloss. I think she has 2 matte lip glosses. I already have one, and I decided to try another one, which is totally out of my comfort zone. It's a color I've never used before, so I'm going to be using this for the first time. You know, it comes with a nice postcard, Glam to Gloss Cosmetics. Then she has a thank you card. Thank you for your order. Have a great day. And this is their business card. Okay, so the packaging is wonderful. And it says here, enjoy your gift. So this is the actual product I purchased. And then this is a gift that she put in there. It's always good to receive more than what you ordered, right? So that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So thank you for that, Lisa. So now, I'm gonna try this new lipstick. Stepping out my comfort zone, doing something a little different. So let's see. So this is matte lip gloss, and the color is chocolate. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna have to get closer, y'all. I'm gonna have to get a little closer. It smells good. So the color is chocolate. It's very, you know what? It's very glamorous. I like it. It's so different for me, guys. You have no idea. This is so different. I have never worn a color like this, but I like it. Guys, tell me what you think. Do you like this color on me? I like it. Thank you, Lisa, once again. I think we have a winner. I love it. This is really nice. It looks very natural. It's not super bright. It's not screaming at you. It's just like, you know, there, just chilling. I like it. I love it, actually. Okay. So now, let's get to this Bath and Body Works. Who out there caught that buy one, get one free sale? I did. Man, I jumped on that so quick because I burn candles practically every day. And I was running low. So, let me show you guys what I got. I love the liner on their boxes. It's so pretty. I got strawberry pound cake. Wow, that smells good. That makes me want to make a strawberry pound cake. Then I got sun-washed citrus. This is so pretty. I love these jars they have that are etched with these designs. Oh man, sun-washed citrus. I love citrus anything. And then I got the champagne toast. Ah, it smells so sweet. That smells sweet and nice. I actually got 2 of these because I already have the champagne toast air freshener for my car, and I love that one. So I've never had the candle. Oh, it smells so good. It's so soothing. Well guys, that is it. That is my unboxing for today. If you caught this sale, good for you. Definitely go check out glamtoglosscosmetics.com. This is Living Life with Lisa's company, so please check her out and support her company. You will not be disappointed. Also, be sure to check out prettyscientist.com. This is what I highly recommend, is the African black soap. I have used this. I absolutely love it. It smells fresh and clean. I use it on my face and my entire body. So definitely go check out prettyscientist.com. Cheers to a delicious smoothie with more essential sea moss gel. Have you had your sea moss gel today? Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and always stay lifted. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.
Every day it's gonna be your day. It's gonna be okay.